It's Friday. What does that mean? What do we do on Fridays?
We do Friday awards.
The awards. All right. Okay, so our awards this week are as follows. In Miss Joyce's class, Sergio Salazar for listening and following directions a lot better, and Carlos Gomez for being a Dreambox champion.
From Mrs. Box's class, Max Ortega for always being present in class and completing asynchronous work, and Mia Avalos for always being present in class and participating in completing asynchronous work.
And then Mrs. Izquierdo's class, two students for improving in completing asynchronous assignments, Sofia Vasquez, and for consistently completing asynchronous assignments, Ian Ventura.
From Miss Mullins' class, Hector Leno for always being present in class, participating and completing asynchronous work, and Gabriella Saunders for great attendance and participation.
In Mrs. Maria's class, for great attendance and participation, the award goes to Emmanuel Ramos Martinez and Melody Delgado Garzon.
From Mrs. Barrientos' class, for improvement in Zoom attendance, Max Guzman Ceja and Mia Gutierrez.
From Mrs. Gregg's class, for always being so prepared, Valentina Castro Cesares. And for awesome participation in discussions, Donovan Rodriguez.
From Mr. Ewald's class, the Friday awards go to Sheree Alexander for great participation and effort, and Emilio Amasquita for always being ready to learn and participate.
Mr. Geronimo had two awards, one for having a positive attitude, and that goes to Carlos Granados, and another one for always volunteering in class and using logic and prior knowledge to solve problems, and that goes to Grace Martinez.
Ms. Cepeto's Friday awards go to Richard Barker for always being present in class and participating in completing asynchronous work, and Emiliano Ayan for on-task and excellent participation.
And Mrs. Ceballos had two awards for always being on task during ELD to Isaac Baez and Benito Aguilera Fonseca.
Mrs. Rosales' Friday awards go to Elijah Miller for always being ready to learn and having a positive attitude, and Kimberly Garcia for a positive attitude and always ready to learn.
Ms. Moreno has an award for improvement on skip counting by tens with a non-zero number, and that is Avner Gonzalez. That's a pretty good skill. And for excellent participation on Zoom, Amelia Alonso.
Ms. Waters' Friday awards go to Killian Wind for making 100% on his math checkpoint test, and Aiden Morales for awesome short answers on his science test.
And Ms. Martin has an award for increased participation to Emily De La Rosa and participating during math time to Yanexi Garcia.
Mrs. Macias's awards go to Rosalie Ramundo for awesome details on her narrative writing assignment, and Anthony Ramirez Vasquez for always ready to learn and having a positive attitude.
Mrs. Lepercio is giving both of her awards for great mathematical reasoning to Estefania Aguilar and Alan Pastor Garcia.
And Miss Adams' awards for always trying their best goes to Candy Madero and Damian Melcher.
Dr. Grafting's awards for improved work and participation go to Maximus Rodriguez, and for asking good questions to help everyone learn go to Alan Martinez Contreras.
From Miss Lupercio's class for excellence in math, the award goes to Martin Leal Covarrubias, and for approving participation during Zoom meetings to Teresa Herrera.
In Ms. Bernardo's class, the first award is for continuing to do excellent work in writing using well-thought-out reasons, and that goes to Julieta Rodon Luna. And for improved Zoom participation, keep it up, that goes to Damian Gomez.
From Miss Canterbury's class for demonstrating responsibility and asking questions, the award goes to Sophia Morales. And for great participation and a positive attitude, the award goes to Christopher Rodriguez Esparza.
And in Mrs. Turi's class, for improved Zoom class attendance, that goes to Armando Gutierrez. And for trying hard in Zoom class, that goes to Angel Vergara.
For Ms. Aguayo's class, for improving participation and getting 100% on her ELA test, the award goes to Chloe Hammer Kiesenberry. And to Ezekiel Jenkins for excellent class participation and test scores.
And last but not least, coming from our two teachers, Mrs. Griffiths and Mrs. Gonzalez, for improvement on attendance Esmeralda Mochuca Garcia, and for on task and great participation, Idara Munoz Aguilar.
There's our awards for this week. This week's awards winners will get a Christmas tattoo.
Ooh. Can't wait to see those. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye, everybody.
Bye. We'll see you next week.